I've been wanting to try out the Sempertex eucalyptus green and the white sand, which I've teamed with a couple of different shades of Sempertex lilac. I'm really pleased with how these have come out, and I'm going to show you how to make them. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK. Inflate your 260 green to just a very small tip. I'm going to let just a little bit of air out here just to soften and then tie. Okay, and then I'm going to make a loop of about 4 fingers. Make a twist here, pass the knot and nozzle through. Give your balloon a squeeze to send the air towards the bottom of the balloon and make another loop to match this. Okay, and then take that knot and nozzle and wrap it around that second loop, and that's just going to make sure those loops don't come undone, and make a third loop to match this one. So if you're familiar with making daisy flowers, this part should be very straightforward for you. Okay, so you've got the base of your flower. Take another 260 in the colour of your choice and inflate with 5 strokes of the hand pump. Just let a little bit of air out just to soften this and then tie. So you've got a long tail of perhaps about 7 fingers or so. Okay, so take that knot and nozzle and wrap it into this cluster of flower petal loops. Give your balloon a squeeze and make a bubble that is about 5 fingers. And then twist another bubble of about 2 fingers. Make another bubble to match this one. Okay, and then pull this into the cluster of green loops. We're going to make another 5-finger bubble. So give your balloon a bit of a squeeze. Then we're going to make another bubble of a couple of fingers. Then make another bubble to match this one, another 5-finger bubble. So this is what you've got. Pull that into the base of your green loops. Okay. And then we're going to make another set of 3 bubbles to match these. So give your balloon a bit of a squeeze. Make another 5-finger bubble. Followed by another bubble of 2 fingers or so. And another 5-finger bubble. Okay, so that's what you've got. And then again, pull this section into the cluster of green loops. Wrap that around a couple of times, and then we can snip off the end. Let the air out. We can wrap that around a few times, and if you want to, you can tie a knot. Snip off the excess. So there you go. This is what you should have at the moment. We're going to pinch twist each of these bubbles. So grasp your balloon here, and we're going to pull this bubble upwards and twist it around. So pull up and twist around a few times. We do the same thing with this one. Pull upwards and twist. Same thing again, pull upwards and twist. Okay. Inflate another 260 with 5 strokes of the Qualitex hand pump and with a tail of about 7 fingers. And wrap the knot and nozzle into one of these pinch twists. Okay? And then make a small bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and wrap this section into this pinch twist here. Give your balloon a squeeze. Make another small bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and wrap this section into this pinch twist here. Okay, again give your balloon a squeeze, make another small bubble of 2 to 3 fingers and wrap this section into this section here, which is the pinch twist that you started at. Wrap that around a couple of times. So this is what you've got. Squeeze your balloon and stretch it. And next we're going to make a bubble of 4 fingers. Bring that round and we're going to wrap this section into this pinch twist here. So bring it round and just wrap it around. Okay, we're going to squeeze the balloon again to make it soft and twist another bubble of 4 fingers and wrap this section into the next pinch twist along. So just wrap that around. Keep your balloon nice and soft. Twist another bubble of about 4 fingers. And again, wrap this section into the pinch twist that you started with. So just bring that in, wrap it around. Okay, so this is what you've got. Give your balloon a squeeze and a stretch because we want this to be very, very soft. And we're going to wrap the 260 around to the next pinch twist. So just whatever size fits, whatever size feels comfortable to you, and then just twist off a bubble. Okay, and wrap that into the next pinch twist. Again, keeping everything nice and soft, wrap the 260 around to the next pinch twist, measure, twist off a bubble, and then wrap into this pinch twist here. Okay. Important that this is very soft. If you find that you are really very inflated at the end, you may want to just snip off the end and let some air out. That's entirely up to you, but it does help sometimes. And then again, measure your last bubble, twist, and wrap this section into this pinch twist here. Okay, so that's what you've got. Now we can definitely snip off the end. Let the air out slowly if you're fully inflated, otherwise it may just go bang. And then tie a knot. And with this excess, we can just bring it here and push it in between those 2 bubbles and hide it in the centre. Okie dokie, and there you've got a really fabulous rose. Inflate a 160 to a tail of about 3 fingers or so and twist off a bubble. Take hold of your flowers, wrap the 160 around and then just wrap that bubble into the rest of that 160. Bring the 160 back around and just wrap again into that bubble. If you want to, you may be able to go around one more time. I can just, so I'm just going to wrap the rest of that into the 160, back up through the centre and round. And then I'm just going to pinch twist this bubble. And then just pull this bubble upwards and pull the excess into the top here, wrap that around, and that's just going to pinch twist that little bubble for you. So there you've got a fabulous bouquet of flowers. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll really enjoy this video next.